Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Leila Nuevo. I'm 35 years old, married. I have two sons, 17 and 15 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have work experience before in the United Arab Emirates for 2 years in one employer. My main duties are to look after 3 children and 1 infant baby. I do household chores, washing and ironing the clothes. I do also marketing. And I have work experience also in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 5 months. My main duties are to look after 6 children. I send and pick up them in the school, prepare them for the school, prepare them clothes, see them when they are bathing, prepare them healthy food, and sometimes walking outside in the mall and in the park. Mom and Sir, I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, patient, and flexible. Mom and Sir, I will assure you that if you are hard me, I will love your children like my own. And please, and I'm hoping that you consider my application. I hope I can see you soon. Thank you, and Mom and Sir, have a nice day.